This lesson today is going to show you how to get comparables known as comps in the retail industry to support your selling price when you price your house for sale. The first thing we're going to do obviously is to log into the Neo Rex website. Now this is the MLS listing site and only real estate agents have access to this. So what we're going to do is go over here to searches and we go down to saved hot sheets because we've already put the criteria in that we're looking for on potential bargains for real estate, and we're going to click on the one that says potential deals, and it should provide us a list here pretty soon, and it does. There's 165 properties that meet our criteria, and there's the list. I'm going to shrink this down so you can see more of the screen, and let's see, we're going to move it over a little bit. Okay, there, it gives us a little more screen to look at, and from here I'm going to go over to the list sell dollar label, and I'm going to click that because I want the listing prices or asking prices from low to high. This is where I can get to quickly to look at possible deals. So as I go down this list, the first one I see is a dollar amount, which obviously is a mistake. The second one I see is listed for $21,500. Now that one sounds like a good opening price, but it's on Wellington and Youngstown, and that's not such a great neighborhood, so that really doesn't mean anything to me. But as I look at the next one, 116 Rosemont Avenue in Austintown, its asking price is $24,900. Now I know that area too, and that is a good starting place. So now this one piques my interest. I'm going over here and I'm going to click on the listing number. It's going to take me to a sheet that you could see here has more detail and has a picture of the house on it. And let me just shrink this down so you can see more of that house. And I'm going to take a look at this, and I'm going to go down here. I'm going to look for the APN number, which is right here, and I'm going to click on that. And it's going to bring up some more detail about this particular property. Now this sheet, I'm going to scroll down until I find the value, market value that's estimated by this program. Now I'm not going to take that as concrete. I am going to do some more checking, but it tells me right away when I look at this estimated value of $68,148, and I look at the range of values in that area from $56,000 to almost $80,000, that tells me right away it's worth looking into. And why is that? Well, remember, they're only asking $24,900 for this property. So there's a lot of room. So if you go down here, it shows you the listing price again. I'll drop this down a bit to make sure you can see it. The current asking price is $24,900, and again, there's the values that they say is on the property. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to search the comparables a little more to make sure that I've got some solid information on this house. So I'm going to scroll back up. I'm going to this little Launch Realist tab, and I'm going to click on it. This brings me up some additional information on this property, and you can see there's a little map, shows where it's located. And I'm going to scroll down to the end to make sure I got it all, which I do. This shows again the address of the property, and let me shrink this some more so you can see more of it. Now from here I'm going to go to view reports down here, okay, and I'm going to click on that. Now when this comes up, it's going to give me another way to pull comps, and that is right here where it says comparables. I'm going to click that. And now it pulls up comparables for this particular property. And you could see over here that the last time this house sold, it sold for $71,000. There's a $49,900 comp. There's a $51,500 comp. There's a $74,400 comp. So you're real safe in my estimation to price this home between $64,900 to $69,900 once it's fixed up to mint condition. So now the next step would be to go out and look at the house, make a list of the repairs and what those repairs will cost. At that point, you're going to decide whether you're going to make an offer or not. So good luck on your hunting.